The Siteserv deal was done in March. The new relationship framework was put in place at the end of March, 2 weeks after the deal was done. There was then a complaint by one of the bidders. The department initiated a review, and they went in and met with the bank, senior officials from the Department of Finance. That was followed by a direct meeting between the Minister, the CEO and the Chairman of IBRC. That was followed by another meeting with the Principal Officer of the Department of Finance. That was followed again by, in August of 2012, that was followed by the department putting a senior official onto the board of IBRC to get extra oversight. Within 6 months, IBRC was wound up.